Whew. Hey, this is shovelheadffej, and I am in the shovelhead yard, I guess. I guess it's really not shovelhead yard, it's my wife's yard. I only get the shed. Anyway, man, today it is frickin' freezing cold. Thank God I got the beard. It's one of those unseasonably cold days. I just wanted to give an introduction on this video. And I'm gonna go inside and get into the heater. Woo! Ah, who am I kidding? It's Florida. Winter only lasts about 3 hours here. It's actually a very beautiful day. It's kind of hot though. Oh, yeah, that's so good, man. Hey, it's shovelheadffej, and I'm actually out in the shovelhead shed, and this is the damn noisemaker. But I figure if I hold him, he won't be able to crow. Anyway, this is Roscoe P. Coltrane. This guy is a Rhode Island red rooster, and he's the he doesn't like being held. Let him go. You're free. Go. 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 All right. As long as he sits here, he'll be quiet. If he runs off, he'll be quiet. But anyway, I'm doing an introduction on this video. This video is basically a behind-the-scenes video of the photo shoot that I shot with Jodie. An awesome pleasure to work with. If you want to know anything about her, she does have social media. I have it listed in the description, so if you want to find out anything about her, that's up to you. It's in the social media. She is as beautiful as a human being inside as she is on the outside, and I have worked with many models before, and what an absolute pleasure it was to work with her. She just has an infectious smile. I do want to give a little trigger warning. On this video, there is going to be pictures of a Livewire, and there's going to be pictures of a beautiful female. I seem to have gotten a lot of hate, and I'm not sure if it's because of the Livewire or the female. I don't know which one it was, but you know, just a fair warning that there is. Hold on one second. Get out of here, dang ya! Go. Chickens, man. What you got to put up with. But anyway, listen, go to Jodie's Instagram page or her Facebook page. Give her a little bit of love with respect. Tell her that shovelheadffej sent you. And if you do, you'll get a 25% off on absolutely nothing. That's right. For a limited time only, if you mention my name, shovelheadffej, you'll get 25% off of nothing. But just show her a little bit of love and let her know that, that you came from my channel. And so hopefully I can get her in other videos, and we'll see more of her, but that's up to you guys. Thank you. You know what? If you go back to that video, there's a lot of symbolism in that video, and it's really worth watching it with that in mind, and go back and look at the symbolism, and if you kind of delve into it and think a little bit deeper into what the video is saying, it might tell you a lot. I said from the very beginning, I did not want to be in front of a camera. I wanted to be behind the scenes. So there are some great guys out there that are really good motorcycle vloggers. A Tree Surgeon is one of those ones. I mean, if you want to be entertained through words, that's the guy. If you're looking for technical stuff, man, there's Pacific Mike and Tatro, whatever. There's great motorcycle vloggers out there and technicians out there. That's not what I'm about. I'm more about, listen, we live in the most crap time right now. 2020 has been an awful year for all of us. I like to think that I don't like to think about it, but it's been a very bad year for me. But all I want to do is show positive images of two wheels and people enjoying themselves. Really not interested in, you know, we got a lot going on in this country. We got a lot going on in this world, and I'm just trying to show that, you know what, there still is a good life out there, that in some parts of this world there still is freedom, and we're allowed to live as we choose. And That's all I want to do, man, is I just want to show that there still is hope, that show that there still is a world out there. Right now, motorcycle vlogging has got to be one of the hardest things to do because a lot of the bike shows are closed down, or they're not open, or a lot of the bike events and stuff like that, they're not as big as what they normally are because of travel restrictions or fear and stuff like that. So, man, this channel is about positivity. I have zero tolerance for negativity. I have zero tolerance for negative thoughts, negative comments, because that's not what I'm about. We need to laugh. We need to love. We need to enjoy life. To say, oh, this motorcycle sucks. It may suck for you, but it doesn't suck for others, man. So I'm just like, what I always say is, ride what you got, ride what you want. You know, I'm just a guy with a video camera, a very tiny audience, which I'm very, very thankful for, and in motorcycles. And I just want to show my love for motorcycles through the lens and through the video. I hope to bring more videos to you. And like I said, it's tough right now because of what's going on worldwide, but I'm still going to keep bringing them. So anyway, as always, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification wherever it is. I have no idea. So that whenever I have this brilliant idea, you'll at least get notified. Like I said, Jodie's a beautiful woman, and she was very gracious to help me out in this video. Jodie, I thank you very much. Thank you, family. And that's all I got to say. There's the video right there. Peace. That way.